Yo guys, so I just wake up this early morning and this is how we do it. In the previous day, but I was very busy during some couple of months, so I was not paying close attention to chat. So I have this analysis right here. Okay, so I have this possible zone being drawn here at this particular level. This zone here is a possible zone for me. I may be selling, or it may come to the next other block region here. So I'm looking for possible opportunities to sell from here if things go on well. So market in the possible zone, when you quickly come to 50-minute time frame, you can see a proper divergence for me right here, which shows price going up and indicator is falling. Okay, so this is a possible zone, so I'll keep on waiting to see if my entry criteria has been met, and I'll pick this trade. So let's keep on checking on it. Okay, yo guys, so I went to work, so I missed the entry though, but I still wanna enter this trade. Okay, because I know it's going to fall, because this is the scenario. We hit the trend line bounce back. Okay, the trend line bounce back. Okay, that is it. So this was the trend line. Good, so this was the trend line which was hit and is bouncing back. You can see it clearly, and I missed the entry, but I still want to enter. So I have $100 purposely for this particular trade, and I'm going to risk all on it. That is how I trade. Okay, so I deposit into the tutorial account and risk it all. If it's $50 I want to risk on this trade, I'll go $50. If it's 20 I go. If it's 100 I go. So I trust this trade, so I'm going to risk $100. So the trade has moved away from us because I was at work. This is the reason why I was not able to provide a massive signal in the free channel again. So quickly, let me calculate how much I'll risk. So this SL will be above here, which is 2666 26665. Okay, so let me calculate that. 2665 6.5 minus 2654.4. okay, so I have 121 pips, so I'm going to risk $100. So 100 divided by 121 or divided by 10, so I get a lot size of 0.08. okay, so let me open all these 0.08 cell. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Good. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I have this position being open right here. So I'll hold this position without SL, but this is the SL calculation. When it go above, that is it. When it drop, it's going to drop up to this level. So we just keep on waiting to see how this trade will go in our direction. So let's keep patient as we wait, guys. So I'm going to upload send this signal to the free channel as well. So if you're not in that channel, you can do well and join. The link is under the video description, guys. So let's keep on waiting. We'll keep on checking on it. All right, yo guys, so with the previous trade that we picked, that was on Friday, and today is Monday, we open to see every trade is in profit, massive double up. Okay, so this is part one of flipping the $100 account into $10,000. So this is the part one. Wait for part two. More signals are coming. If you haven't joined the Telegram channel yet, do well and join the Telegram channel for free signal services and forex tutorials. If you are fully a beginner trader, this channel is best for you to learn a lot. You can go through my video and learn how I analyze the market, and this is the best way to trade. Okay, as I predict, we are going to drop, we will fall to the downside, but right now I'm going to close all this trade right away. Okay, and I want to keep this $290 for the next trade. So we'll be flipping this $100 account into $10,000. Wait for the challenge and more videos. This is the part one of the $100 to 10,000. All right. So I will just head over to close all. Okay, so close all positions. Good. So we have 288 right here, 288 right here. All right, so see you guys in the part 2.